Okay, once again, welcome to Sky Alliance Markets. Okay, so kung napanood nyo po yung unang videos natin, how to fund your account, ngayon naman po, tuturuan ko naman po kayo kung paano mag-withdraw sa may account ninyo, okay, or sa Traders Portal account po ninyo. Okay, so once you are in the website, dito lang po, click on more, Traders Portal, and then put in your email address. Yan, and then log in. Okay. Check nyo lang po dito. So once naka-log in na po kayo sa account ninyo, makikita nyo dito yung trading account number. Okay? And then yung balance. Dito under ng balance. Okay? So make sure po, no, para makapag-withdraw po kayo, once na nakita nyo yung balance dito, let's say for example, nasa MT4 nyo pa po, or trading account pa nyo yung balance, make sure to transfer first yung balance po ninyo from your trading account to landing account dito. Okay? Para po ma-withdraw nyo yung pera ninyo. Paano nyo po gagawin yon? Click nyo po yung transfers. Okay? And then internal transfer. So sa internal transfer from account, dito, may kita nyo dito sa option, merong trading account po yan. Aside from landing, merong trading account na may kita nyo kung nasaan yung balance ninyo. Okay, kiklik nyo lang po yun from account and then to account landing. Okay, ta-transfer nyo po sa landing and then enter the amount. So let's say for example $100. Okay, by the way, our minimum withdrawal is $50. Okay, so let's say for example you want to take you want to withdraw $100 out on your account. Process mo lang siya $100 and then hit on submit. Okay? Pag clinic nyo po yung submit, automatically or real time po siyang magre-reflect dito sa landing account ninyo. Okay? Always remember, transfer nyo po muna yung funding nyo from your trading account to your landing account. So once nag-reflect na po yung balance natin sa landing account, yung gusto nating amount na i-withdraw, make sure that you were able to upload document under the bank statement. Okay? So sa bank statement po, kung mapapanood niyo po yung unang video natin, no, sa may account navigation, account portal navigation, tinuro ko po kung ano yung mga dapat na i-upload na document. Pero ulitin po natin dito para po for the benefit doon sa mga hindi pa po nakapanood ng video. Okay? So, ang bank statement na kailangan nating i-upload is any screenshot or picture, no, na nagre-reflect doon yung full account ninyo with your full account number. Okay, basta nakapangalan po sa inyo. Okay, so pwede pong passbook, picturean nyo po yun, takpan nyo na lang po yung mga sensitive details. Basta ang importante, nakikita yung full account number and your full name. Ganon din po sa mga online banking, di ba, katulad ng sa Union Bank, di ba, nakikita yung full name mo and then yung full account number. Okay, ano pa ba? Pwede rin yung ATM. Okay? As long as nakikita yung full name and account number, takpan nyo lang po yung mga sensitive details like expiration date and then you're good to go. Save nyo lang po yung ID ninyo for you to be able to upload it here. Okay? Paano mag-upload? Click nyo lang po itong arrow na to and then kung nakasave siya sa desktop or laptop ninyo, just click on choose file for you to be able to upload the document. Okay? And then click on upload. So once na nakapag-upload na po kayo, you can now go ahead and process withdrawal. Okay? So let's say for example, nakapag-upload ka na ng document and the funds is now already reflecting dito sa landing account. Magpa-process na tayo ng withdrawal. So punta lang po tayo sa transfers. And then after transfers, click on withdraw funds. Okay? So dito po. So under withdraw funds, click nyo lang po ito. Siyempre, yung fund natin is nagre-reflect na sa landing account, di ba? So, from landing and then to your bank account. So, let's say, for example, no, gusto mo mag-add ng bank account. So, any bank pwede nyo pong gamitin basta't nakapangalan po sa inyo. Okay? So, kunyari, mag-add tayo ng bank account. Okay? Ang kailangan nyo lang pong gawin is lagay yung name nyo, Juan de la Cruz. Okay? Bank name. So, let's say, for example, Union Bank. Account number. Okay? Tapos name ulit. Okay? So sa Swift code naman po, ang kailangan nyo lang pong gawin is i-check nyo lang po siya sa Google. Okay? I-check nyo lang po siya online. So, search nyo lang po Union Bank Swift code. Okay? Ang Swift code po kasi ng kahit na anong bangko, no, dito sa Pilipinas is iisa lang naman po. Okay? So, click nyo lang or search nyo lang po Union Bank Swift code, PH, and then yun po yung ilalagay nyo dito. Okay? So, let's say for example, Swift, sample lang, no? Ito, meron na pala. Ayun. Ito po yung Swift code ng Union Bank. Dito naman, wala na po kayong gagalawin dito. And then dito, wala na po kayo ilalagay dyan. So, ilalagay nyo lang po sa bank address kahit hindi na po yung exact location kung saan po yung branch po ng bank ninyo, no? Kahit ilagay nyo lang po yung pangalan ng, kumbaga, ng street. Okay? So, let's say for example, BGC. BGC. And then yung city is Taguig. Okay, yan. Alright. Dito, make sure PH. Okay, and then yung Swift code. So let's say kunyari 1632, no? And then you don't need to click on this one, no? Wala po kayong gagalawin diyan. So wala na po kayong ilalagay dito. Yan lang po yung mga details na kailangan ninyo ilagay. Okay? Source name. Okay, bank's name, account number, beneficiary name under your name pa rin. Okay? And then yung Swift code. Okay? And then, lastly, the address. And then, you can now go ahead and add source. So, pag nag-add source kayo, okay, refresh lang natin. Yan. Oh. Pag in-refresh nyo, reflected na siya dito. Or nagre-reflect na po dito yung bank account ninyo. Okay? So, pwede nyo na pong i-process ang withdrawal. So, from your landing to your bank account. So, basically, dito nyo po i-withdraw yung pera. Dito nyo po ilalagay yung pera from your trading portal. Okay? And then, put in the amount. Again, minimum po natin is $50 for withdrawal process. Okay? So, and then, when you hit on submit, okay, there will be a confirmation na magpa-pop up dito sa system that the back office was able to receive your request. Okay? So, pag na-receive nyo naman po yung request na yon, make sure to inform your account manager or the person who invited you here in Sky Alliance Market. So, para po ma-assist kayo agad-agad. Para po mapaprocess natin yung withdrawal ninyo and mas mabilis yung pag-process ng funds ninyo na ma-reflect doon sa bank account ninyo. So, sir, gaano po ba katagal ang withdrawal process natin? It will take 1 to 2 business days, no? Pero sometimes, mas mabilis pa, sometimes within the day. Basta, always make sure, once na nag-request kayo ng any kind of transaction like funding or withdrawal, especially withdrawal, i-inform nyo po yung account manager ninyo para po heads upan kagad yung back office natin. Okay? Para ma-check yung withdrawal ninyo and ma-approve agad-agad. Alright, so once na-approve na po yan, 1 to 2 business days, just to set your expectation on the funds will be posted on your bank account. So, ganun lang po siya kadali. Again, wala po tayong charges for any kind of transaction, for funding, and of course, in withdrawal. Wala po tayong charges dyan. Okay? So, ganyan po kaganda dito sa Sky Alliance Market. So, if you have any future questions or concerns regarding your account, please feel free to reach out po. Okay? So, thank you very much again and ingat po kayo. Okay? God bless!